In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display FPS on GeForce NOW. If you want to keep an eye on performance while you play, GeForce NOW includes a simple built-in overlay that lets you check your frame rate along with useful network information. This can help you understand how smoothly your game is running, and it can also be helpful if you're troubleshooting lag, stuttering, or connection quality during a session. To get started, launch any game in GeForce NOW as you normally would. Once the game is fully open and running, you'll be able to bring up the performance and network statistics overlay directly on screen. This is useful because GeForce NOW is a cloud gaming service, so your experience depends not only on the game itself, but also on your connection and streaming performance. When you're inside the game, press Ctrl and N on your keyboard if you're using Windows or Chrome OS. As soon as you use that shortcut, GeForce NOW will display its on-screen stats overlay. This overlay gives you a quick snapshot of key information while you continue playing, so you don't need to pause or leave the game to check what's happening. In the overlay, you'll be able to view your FPS or frames per second, which tells you how smoothly the game is being displayed. You'll also see latency, which shows the delay between your input and the response from the game stream. Packet loss may also appear, and that's important because it can indicate network instability or missing data during streaming. In addition to that, you can view broader streaming stats, which give you more insight into the overall quality of your GeForce NOW session. If you want to change how much information is shown, press the same shortcut again. GeForce NOW will cycle through different display modes, letting you switch between levels of detail depending on what you need. For example, you might prefer a simpler view while playing, then switch to a more detailed mode if you're checking performance more closely. That's all there is to it. Open a game, press Ctrl and N, and use the shortcut again to cycle through the available overlay views.